Hey, this is Mr. Ward, and I want to talk a little bit about functions level 1, a particular set of questions that have thrown off many people. So I want to start off, let's look at questions 7A, 7B, and 7C. So for 7A, pretty much everyone got that if a car parked for 2 hours, you paid $3. And if you look at this graph, you find 2 hours, you go up here, and you're in this solid red dot, and then you go over to the left and you see it's $3. But then when folks got to 7B, tons of people got thrown off. So you saw it's 121 minutes, that's 2 hours and 1 minute. And rather than using the graph, a number of people worked out proportionally that there must be some amount, just a little more than $3, maybe $3 and a penny, $3.04 or something that people would be paying. But that actually isn't how the graph shows it. So if you're over 2 hours, 2 hours is the end of the $3 zone. And as soon as you get past 2 hours, you hop right up here to $6. And that is how a lot of parking garages work. And this is a step graph. It goes in steps. It does not go in a smooth, continuous, proportional sort of pattern. So you get to 2 hours. You immediately, as soon as you're a second past 2 hours, you hop up here and you're now in the $6 range. And that is true from anything more than 2 hours up to and including 4 hours. So you're going to be paying $6 if you get to 121 minutes. That's what the graph is showing you. I think some people were maybe not using the graph as your primary tool, and you were analyzing it and making a prediction. And I think that's a very reasonable mistake to make, but it is a mistake. You want to use this graph as your main tool. Now, 7C is grabbed from number 20 here. It says, suppose your mother pays $6 for parking. So if you knew you paid $6 for parking, how long was the car parked in the garage? Well, $6, okay. A lot of people said 4 hours, and that is one possible answer, but it's not the whole answer. What you really want to get at is that there's this whole chunk of time anywhere in here from 121 minutes, from 2 hours and a minute, to all the way to 4 hours. You could put anything that's over 2 hours, and you could write this as an inequality. So you'd say 2 is less than the hours is less than or equal to 4. Or you could have written it in an interval notation, 2, 4, and then you'd use the inclusive brackets for 4 and the exclusive brackets for 2, because 2 isn't included. Because if you park for 2 hours, you're at the $3 point. As soon as you're past it, you're in the $6 zone. And I hope that clears that up. I'm going to send this video to a few folks who have been consistently going back and revising it and making the same mistakes. I'm hoping this will help you on that.